Welcome to IDS 2019. Here at the Integrative Dermatology Symposium, we're bringing practitioners across disciplines to advance the future of patient care.
It is our mission to inspire and elevate the field of integrative dermatology for practitioners worldwide.
Integrative medicine is the future of healthcare, and IDS is leading the way.
IDS is amazing and very inspirational and helps us bring all the world-renowned speakers. Now you have a community to discuss different thoughts with.
The future is now.
Events like IDS are so important because it allows providers to connect not only with other physicians but with other people in other healing traditions. There are other options out there and that there are other ways of approaching health and disease.
We're at a place where we have a lot of different emerging techniques and technology, and with IDS and that philosophy of medicine, what we're all coming together to do, it really just opens up so many different ways to treat things that are effective and safe.
It helps us engage whether it's on stage or outside, and also in workshops. Love the yoga and meditation sessions, and it's helpful throughout the year because now you have a community to discuss different thoughts with.
People from all different walks of life are so open to learning something that's different to promote integrative healthcare, which I truly believe is the wave of healthcare in the future.
IDS is transforming the future of integrative dermatology because all the attendees, including those I've been speaking with already, are getting ideas how to begin to transform their practice and to make it more integrative, more whole person medicine oriented.
You know, when we come together at events like this, we're able to not only build our network, but also just learn so much from one another that, you know, together we have much greater capacity to move forward.
Integrative medicine is the future of medicine.
Innovate.
Integrate. Inspire.
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now.